Before I take this fuel line off and reposition it, I want to show you something that I noticed. I'll see if I can do this. If you look very closely right here, right at the tip of my finger, is a little tiny rub spot. See if I can zero in on that a little bit. Oh, come on, damn it. Anyway, that little rub spot, shiny spot right there, corresponds with this. So the rub spot is right here. Where was it? Right there. And it hits right there. And if that was cramping the, as my weight is on here, if that was pushing that this closed, then that could easily be the problem. So I'm going to take the fuel line off, reposition it, and see what I got.